Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about the top 3 website for video editors. If you want to become a video editor or if you are a newbie, then uh, if you are a video editor or if you want to become a video editor, then this video will help you a lot. So the first website is Epidemic Sounds. This website provides you royalty free music for your videos. Music is a very important aspect of your videos, and it is very important in your videos. So it provides you 7 days free trial, and you have to take a trial. And if you want to generate electronic music, cinematic, pop, hip hop, classic, it will provides you any type of music with any type of for any type of platforms. You can easily use it, but they have some like plans, but it's worth buying, so it is good. So after that, you can also if you uh, want to get some extraordinary or personalized music, then contact them and they will provide you that. So the second website is pexel.com. Here you can uh, get copyright free videos for free. So like I would like to want videos from traffic, so it provides us the videos about traffic. These are the free copyright and free videos, and you can also change the filters like vertical, so it gives you vertical videos, and that's it. So if you want to if you want animal videos, so click on animals and it provides you the videos of animals. These all are high resolution copyright free videos. So the third and the last website is fonts.google.com. Fonts are very important in your videos because you use text, and if the fonts were not good, then your video will not get viewers attention. So these are the fonts which are free to use. You can just have to download the fonts and easily use it in your videos. So these are the top websites which are very helpful for video editors. So if you are a video editor or if you want to become a video editor, then must use these websites. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.